Jen's family to participate in a annual tradition that they have. Essentially, we're going to the Galaxy of Lights in Huntsville, and it's at the Huntsville
Botanical Gardens.
Jen, kind of give us a rundown of what to expect.
Pretty Christmas lights, dancing lights to music.
Right?
Good wholesome family time.
Good wholesome family time.
We get to walk, I think it's about a mile or a mile and a half. And we get to see things, light displays that local companies have either created or donated to create.
The tradition is to do the walking version.
Yes.
I believe that at some point during the season they do drive through this, but only on some nights they do a walking version, and so it's always specifically the walking version that we do, or that they do. We do.
It's more interactive.
Yeah. So we're going to see Christmas stuff, of course, because it is kind of a Christmas display, but there's also going to be other things. Baby Lucas will be there, yes. So Jeff and Suzanne, Baby Lucas.
German potato soup.
Yes. Afterwards, we're going to go warm up with some food, which is what we're excited about.
We always get excited about the food.
That's true. I mean, normally we would go to the traditions go to IHOP afterwards.
Yes.
But this year, because of COVID, we're just going to go back to Jeff or Suzanne's parents' house and have soup, which is going to be good. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to be a fun time. We're going to see all the lights and have fun.
Fun family time.
As she said, wholesome family time. Here we go. 11, 10 Lords of Leaping. 9,
8 Maids of Milking. 7 Geese Lane. 6.
I think it's 6 geese. 7 swans is swimming.
Yes. 5
golden rings. 4 calling birds. 3, what were you about to say?
3 French hens. 2 turtle doves. And a partridge in a pear tree.
That was lovely. Jen and I have donned our light crowns, our crowns of sorts. They're made by Suzanne made them. Suzanne
and or her mother,
Flynn, and or her mother, one of the two, made these beautiful crowns for us. I think I was given one last year, so this is my second year wearing it. Jen has had hers for a couple of years, so I'm part of the family now, so I got my own crown. So we're looking cute, and we are dressed warm because it was supposed to be cold, and we are ready to go try to find the family. Yay! How exciting! But we look the part, right? I mean, don't we look super cute with our crown on? All right, I guess we're gonna start wandering that way now. Yeah, it's getting close to our time to go. Yep.
Mine's in the car. Got everything for it. Hi.
What you got around your neck there?
Lights.
Oh, you got some Santa Claus lights. Nice. We're all lit
up.
You
guys are gonna get one. I actually was able to check into a hotel.
Ooh, nice.
They got distracted by the baby.
Is that Lucas? That's a young one.
Yeah, that's Lucas. That's my baby. That's my baby.
Everybody else, come on in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everybody else, come on through.
I'll wait to see.
Oh, poor Lucas.
Yes. I'm not going to say it. She's got the GoPro on.
Aw.
Grab a bit.
Whoa. That was cool. There's Jeff and Kathy behind us there, all in the tunnel of light. And yes. This is the most recognizable part of the track for me. And do you know why?
Because you dumped me out over here
Yeah, that's right.
when I was
Jump my wife.
Yep, I dumped her out of her wheelchair over here. But, I mean, to be fair, I'm not sure where you can tell, but this is like one of the few parts of the track where there's no, like, path to walk on. We're just walking through the grass.
Watch out for baby Lucas.
We bought the Range Rover.
Actually, no. You guys bought the Range Rover stroller.
That is true.
I made sure we got him a better chair than we got you.
No, seriously, it actually has suspension on the front wheel.
Nice. It's what you need at times like these. It's hummingbird.
I'm a hummingbird. Look at the pretty lights.
There's Jeff.
Look at the pretty face.
Crushing it with that hat on. I love that. I love the hat.
Thank you, thank you.
Pimpin'.
It ain't easy.
Oh,
Like 80 people.
like roar. That one opens its mouth and roars. And then you got the big flying dinosaur.
What's that planet?
Where? That one there? Mercury.
No, it's not red.
Damn it. Dinosaurs everywhere. Here's my party. You can find them because of all their glowy headgear.
Remember when I was a ninth planet?
Dinosaur. We're at the dinosaur part of the trail. Are you chilling? You're doing good down there, buddy.
Killing big
You're
guy.
doing great by the pot of gold. It's where you belong. Oh, let me
He's a
back up.
leprechaun.
He's a leopard.
Not this time.
St. Patty's Day, baby.
Yeah, bud.
Did you get a picture of our baby boy?
Yep.
Our pot of gold.
He's doing so good over there.
He is doing so good.
He's so popular. He's the most popular attraction here.
Paparazzi. You can tell he's got a
The rainbow. You're so cute.
You are.
This is me and Bee walking through the botanical gardens, looking at all the lights. We're gonna rainbow.
Our group keeps leaving us.
That's all right. We're slow and we're cute.
We'll catch up.
That's right.
Cute.
Yeah, we cute. Because he does not like it. He doesn't approve. Meanwhile, we're walking through.
Masks make the baby cry.
That's understandable.
It is. Look at the deer. Oh, deer.
Oh, are we about to walk into some snow? Uh-oh. Jen's got snow on her. There's snow on the GoPro. There we go. Got some snow on you?
I like the
snack. I like your snore. He's so cute. Look at us.
I don't think John wants to hear footage about how cute we are.
I think he does. I think that he knows how cute we are, and either that or he just needs a reminder of how cute we are.
That's right.
Hey John, we're freaking cute.
We're so freaking cute.
We got all this going on up in here. Up in here, up in here.
Oh, baby, your hands are full.
Oh yeah, my fingers are out. I'm thinking of my fingers.
Hi,
You carried him.
How much they weigh now?
Not like you're doing now, but you carried him.
He was almost 20 pounds 2 months ago,
Ooh.
so I would guess
He's
he's
30
about
at
25.
I think he's 30.
Your arm and you struggle to be
Here,
buffed
Andy,
by
yeah.
then.
Do you? Is this okay?
Oh,
That's
Auntie Jen's
good.
got
All right.
Lucas. Oh, that's scary.
Yeah. All right.
I'll walk next to you. Don't worry. I won't let her kidnap you.
No.
I'll fight her.
Oh, that's adorable.
I'll knock her down.
Yep, you can have that if you want.
I will sacrifice this.
It's fine. Just so I can hold you.
Can you see where you're going, love?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Lucas.
There's lanterns.
Okay.
Thank you, bud.
You guys are adorbs.
Thank
I'm gonna get a good still shot out of that. Hey, Lucas.
It's my eyeball.
You don't need it though, right?
No, not that one. I'll give my right eye for the child. Thank you. You got the lights? You got her lights?
That trunk's new too.
Grab the hat.
Are you looking at Auntie Jen?
She made me cry the other week. Oh no. It's great.
You hear her, but you don't see her? Yeah, would. Well, okay.
I can't concentrate on more than like.
I figured if you didn't want that game, then maybe a Fitbit would be better. No, it's not stressful at all. The grill, and she just. Very Alabama.
It's shining and it makes noise. Uh-oh. I think I have to play slow. There you have it. We've walked through. Ooh, that's appropriate. We've walked through the galaxy of lights. There was laughing, there was crying, there was tears, and there was joy. There was Mary, and there was yeah, all of those things.
Okay. Lights,
Lights
all the lights
and darkness.
and darkness.
We carried our crowns so that we could find each other, and so that we could always carry the light with us. It was
Yes.
a good time. And we'll see you later. Bye.